So moving on, missed appointment fees. Now, this may seem kind of strange, like, what do you mean missed appointment fees? But oftentimes, as a landlord, you may very well go out and do inspections on your rental properties. You might want to go out and inspect, or if the tenant's having a problem and you might have somebody, for instance, like it's cold and you might have somebody go out and check the furnace or check the heater or the boiler or whatever you've got in your system, in your property. Well, as long as there's an appointment set up, you should have a clause in your lease that says, if you set up an appointment with the tenant and the tenant breaks that appointment, meaning you set up an appointment for a certain day, a certain time, and the tenant or a tenant's family or friends or representative is not there at the property to let you in or let the technician in, then they need to pay you a fee. Because keep in mind, if you send somebody out there to look at the furnace or something like that, they may very well charge you a service fee. So you want to make sure that what you collect from the tenant at least covers that service fee, because the tenant is the one that actually set that appointment. So they should be there. And if they're not there, they should pay some penalty for that. So, and again, $50 or $75 is not uncommon for just a simple service charge to go out even if nobody is at home. So just something to think about. Again, all of these fees are just things that you can implement that are reasonable, but it's not fees that you have to. And if you ever want to just sit back and not charge somebody something, that's perfectly within your right to do so.